Seiko Presage lovers, pay attention. Have a look at these new releases from your favorite affordable watch brand. These are the Seiko Presage Cocktail Time GMTs. This one, the lovely and bright SSK 037J. This one features a light blue textured dial with stainless steel dial details, a navy blue GMT hand, and a stainless steel bracelet. There's two more in this collection, both featuring leather bands. This one here is the SSK 039J with a dark, almost coffee colored textured dial, stainless steel and gold toned dial details, a gold toned GMT hand, and a black leather band. The third and final model, the SSK 041J, utilizes a light tan dial, stainless steel dial details, a gold toned GMT hand, and a brown leather strap. Okay, that was a lot of information. So what is new about these models? Well, of course, this is the first time a Presage Cocktail Time gets a GMT hand. And I don't believe we've seen these dial colors on any Seiko model before, at least not in a Presage, though I'm happy to be corrected in the comment section. Of course, with the GMT hand, we also get the GMT hour markings around the dial, which may make that dial a little bit too busy for you, but I don't necessarily agree. These dials are quite big, so there's lots of real estate to work with. These models come with a deceivingly small 40.5mm case size, so you should really be looking at the length, more commonly known as the lug-to-lug measurement, as these ones measure 47.5mm lug-to-lug. It's a little bit too big for me, which is a shame because I really like these models. Hopefully they come out with a slightly smaller version. Not as small as some of the Presage ladies models, because that is too small for me. But somewhere in the middle would be great from Seiko. It is hard to pick a favorite, but I gotta go with the SSK 039J with its mesmerizing dial that changes color depending on the angle. But what do you think? Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to hit that like button if you like this video and subscribe to the Watch Depot YouTube channel for more watch content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.